Today we are going to look at something called a digraph. What is a digraph? A digraph is a single sound represented by two letters. We can have an example of sound sh, as in shop, as in fashion, as in cash, sh. Okay, but then it can be spelled in different ways, as in letter S in the word sugar says sh. Letter S in the word tension says tension. It can also be spelled as double S in the word issue, issue. It can also be spelled as CE in the word ocean, ocean. It can also be spelled as TI in the word patient, 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 nation. It can also be spelled as CH in the word. It's read as chef, not chef, but chef. It's representing the digraph sh. Okay. It can also be spelled as CI, as in ancient, 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 facial. Yes. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, click on the subscription button and get to please subscribe into my YouTube channel for more of these videos. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.